Hi, welcome to the Success Prince Crash Course YouTube channel. In this video, I'll briefly describe the object of the game. The object of the game is to use your time, which are these little blocks, most strategically over the course of 9 weeks, which is an abbreviated college semester, in order to maximize your GPA plus your social connections while minimizing your stress and being able to pay your tuition of 10 cash at the end of the 9 weeks. That's it. It's really just that simple. But once you get playing, you'll realize there's a lot of complexities, just like real life. There will be life that happens, there will be assignments, there will be events that maybe you go to, some great friends that you make that both cost some time or maybe cash, and it's a hard thing to balance it all. But that's why we have the game. It's because practice makes perfect. And the hope is that if you practice your strategic time management here at Tabletop University in the Success Prince Crash Course game, you'll be really ready to do well when you go out there to whatever college or university you choose.